morning students. Now the next construction is when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. Two adjacent sides and three angles. Example is here. Construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is equal to 3.5 cm, IS is 6.5 cm. Angle M 75 degree, angle I 105 degree and angle S 102 degree. First we draw a rough sketch. We draw such line whose end point angles are given. M and I is a line segment whose length is 3.5 cm and angle M is 75 degree and angle I is 105 degree. Now you draw a line MI 3.5 cm and from angle M draw an angle 75 degree and from angle I you draw angle 105 degree of length 6.5 cm. And that point is S. It is rough figure. Now construction stepwise. First we draw a line segment MI is equal to 3.5 cm. Draw an angle I 105 degree of length 6.5 cm. Call it S. एंगल आई से 105 डिग्री बनाते हुए लाइन की लेंथ 6.5 सेंटीमीटर रखेंगे और उस पॉइंट का नाम एस रख देंगे. फ्रॉम एस ड्रॉ एंगल ऑफ 120 डिग्री एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम एम वी ड्रॉ एंगल ऑफ 75 डिग्री. बोथ एंगल्स विल intersect, both angled line will intersect at point T. Point T. Thus we join MT and ST. MIST is the required quadrilateral. In this manner we can draw a quadrilateral. Now there are some questions. First, can you construct above quadrilateral missed if we have 100 degree at point M instead of 75 degree? We can draw this. If it is 100 degree, then we can also construct it. Now there is another part for thinking. Can you construct a quadrilateral PLAN if VL is equal to 6 cm, LA is 9.5, P angle P 75 degree, angle L 150 degree and angle A 140 degree. Now here you can sum the angles P, S and A. The sum of all three angles must be less than 360 degree or equal to, must be less than 360 degree because these are three angles, and in quadrilateral angle sum of four angles is equal to 360 degree. Now there is exercise 4.3. Construct the following quadrilateral. Quadrilateral name is MORE, more. MO 6 centimeter, OR 4.5 centimeter, angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree. Here you see that angle M and angle O are given and line MO is also given. So first we draw a line segment MO 6 centimeter. From M we draw angle 60 degree and from O we draw angle 105 degree. Now OR, the length of OR is 4.5 centimeters. So if we draw angle O is 105 degree, we take length OR in it, that is 4.5 centimeter. At 4.5 centimeter R will be there, and from R we draw 105 degree. The angular line from M 60 degree and from R 105 degree both intersect at E. Now quadrilateral is completed. MO is already drawn, OR is also drawn, and RE is joined, and OME is also joined. Thus we can draw a quadrilateral MORE. Similarly, there is a quadrilateral plane PLAN. PL 4 cm, LA 6.5 cm, angle P 90 degree, angle A 110 degree, angle N 85 degree. Here PL is the line segment, P and LA is another line segment, but both at angles of both line segments are not given. Here we have angle P, angle A and angle N. Then next angle will be angle L. So L angle can be obtained by subtracting the sum of all these three from 360 degree. It means 360 minus 90 degree plus 110 degree plus 85 degree, we get the value 90, 110, 200, 285, and from 360 if we subtract 285 we get 75 degree. Thus we can find angle L. Angle L will be of 75 degree. So PL is the line segment, so draw a line segment. PL is equal to 4 centimeter. From P draw angle 90 degree and from L draw angle 75 degree and measure LA 6.5. Measure on LA 6.5. Then we draw from A angle 110 degree, angle P 90 degree and angle A 110 degree. Both line intersect at N. Thus our quadrilateral will be completed PLAN. Thus we can draw quadrilateral PLAN. Rest questions you can solve yourself. Thank you. Have a good day.